YouTube remembers every video you watch and uses that data to personalize your recommendations. If you want more privacy and less tracking, this is one YouTube setting you should turn off. Here's how. So first, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right on the top right corner. Now go to settings, then tap all history. Next, select saving your YouTube history. Here you will see YouTube is saving every video you watch to improve recommendations. You can choose turn off to stop saving future watch history, or turn off and delete activity if you also want to remove your previous watch history. That's it. Your YouTube watch history will no longer be saved until you turn this setting back on. Turning off YouTube history can help you protect your viewing privacy, reduce personalized recommendation based on your watch history, and stop from using future watch activity to build your viewing profile. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.